Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add items into a media album. So if you open up a course, a media album is represented by 3 images. So a media album might be used to collect pictures or videos that the teacher would like to share with other students. So if I click on this media album, I can see that it's asking me to post my progress in the most recent project that I'm on. I can also see the teacher posted a picture. Maybe it's just a funny picture, or maybe that's an example of what I should be adding. So I want to add media. I'm going to come over here and click Add Media. At this point, I'm going to click Attach File. And now I'm going to find an image that I have saved on my computer. Again, it can be a picture. It could be a short video. It's up to you. So let's see. I'm just trying to find. Okay, here's an image. And hit Open. Once I see that it's complete, I'm going to click Add Media, and now it has been added. But now I want to be able to add captions. So if I click on this, it's going to open up, it's going to enlarge the image, and I can also edit caption. So now by adding a caption, I can now explain what this picture is and maybe add a nice sentence or two describing to my other peers or my other friends what this is. So I can say this is an equation that I completed yesterday. And you can hit save. So now when other students open up this image, they will be able to see your caption. You can also comment on other people's pictures as well. And to do that, you click Write a Comment, and you can post something. So you can say, this is great, and then post. And so now my post is below, and the caption is to the right. I can go through and see different videos or different pictures using the media album. So that's going to be how you add to a media album. You can continue this process as many times as you would like. So I could go back in if I want to and continually adding media. I hope this video was helpful in learning how to add media into a media album. Have a good one.